What's up, guys? Back in your video. If you remember my last video, I did that game over there. But anyways, I am going to be vacuuming this front. Well, I'm going to be vacuuming concrete. Okay. Let's just say the outside part of the garage. Patio. So, we're going to be doing this with the Bissell Powerforce Helix. Model 1240. Let me show you the pipe. There you go. Bissell model 1240, 8-amp motor, made in 2015. The 132nd day of 2015. Stupid door. Just ignore it. But yeah, this was made. This is the model 1240, made in 2015. So this is the one of the last models before they made. These were one of the last models they made before they replaced this model with the newer Powerforce Helix model 2191. Because they upgraded in 2016. The beginning of 2016 is when I think they upgraded. So yeah, this is one of the last models that they made before they upgraded to the cheaper Powerforces. Because the 2191 it's cheap. Like, it honestly, guys, it's cheap. But this one, it is cheap, but it's not near as cheap. It's not as near as cheap plastic as the 2191. It's still cheap plastic, but it's not near as bad. Like, the quality is way better than the 2191. But yeah, it has attachments. It's missing the little combo brush tool. It's missing that, but it does have the extension wand right here, and it does have the crevice tool. It does have that too, and that just slides back in here, and this just slides back in here. So, hope you guys enjoy. We're gonna set this on the lowest setting. I know the lighting may be kind of bad, but it's outside. So, anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy. there's the crunch video. So I hope you guys enjoyed on this Bissell Powerforce Helix, model 1240, made in 2015. So let me know what you guys think. Should I do crunch videos or should I not do crunch videos? Let me know in the comments. So yeah, that pretty much does it for this video. Let me know what videos you want me to do next. I do request for other people, so just feel free to drop a comment. Feel free to drop a comment down below so I can see your request and so I can do it. Sometimes I'm not able to do it at the moment, so I apologize, but sometimes, it's not always, but sometimes. But that pretty much does it for this video. So yeah. Anything else I gotta say? Let me think. No. From what I'm thinking, there's nothing else I have to say. So when this video uploads, if it has uploaded, go check it out. If it hasn't, then oh well. Cause I did do a video on this machine as well, and this one too. So, like I said, feel free to drop a comment down below on what video you want me to do next. So, like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, peace.